Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a little everything Jamaican. I am Michelle and with me is my husband Marcel, and this morning we are heading to see Miss Topsy. Sun is hot. I'm not looking forward to climbing the hill, but we are going to do it nonetheless. Alright, so please remember to like, share and to subscribe to the channel, so once we post a new video you will be updated. Alright, you ready Marcel?
Long time. I take your lead.
Wow, the sun hot man. Alright, here goes. If we not start when I reach today.
Should I bring my umbrella?
I know, never think about it at all. Alright guys, so we're heading to Miss Topsy to check up on her. That's one. And then number two, we have a package, as you can see here in my hand, that we are bringing for her. That was sent by a donor. So two donors, one sent a barrel. She has always been supporting us and the persons that we serve, and so she has sent some things and we are taking them to Miss Topsy this morning. So I want to say a special thank you to her. Look like Junior chopped the road clean and pretty. Yeah. It's actually not too bad. Yeah, let them burn it. Marcel, here summer bugs.
Cricket them there.
So no summer bugs.
I call it boga.
Oh. Used to play with them when we grew up.
I must pimento tree there always, you know.
I have a lot of those, so maybe that's why we hear them so enough on the hill.
Yeah.
Wow.
So like one jackfruit tree.
It's so high up.
They're everywhere.
You can't tell exactly where.
Tree me I broke off, you know.
Which one? Oh, breadfruit. Look.
And young.
And look up in at the top too. Look on this little tree. Bearing breadfruit. Wow. Amazing. There's enough of them too, you know. Two in the top there, one there. About 6. The one them at the top look ready though, Marcel.
So I want to was.
Oh. They just gave us away. Puppy start to bark.
She knows say we are forward. Stop say I cook.
Every time I say,
Yeah, she smoke. You can't tell me she not smoke like that this morning.
I don't see no smoke, but her back door lock. So I pray that she's here.
She cook and go sit down.
Hey puppy, what's up? Let me stop sit there. The puppy, she run gone. Oh no.
Puppy they find a different mission today.
Miss Topsy.
Hello.
Hey.
Miss Topsy, I sound like you're not there here, sir. Hey, where they from?
Oh, you lock up. Oh, well, come and say you're probably not here. I always say you go Alberton. You think you're gone today?
No, not today. We are going about. We are wait first. See if we get something to buy, some polish.
Oh.
To the floor. I beg Junior to come buy one pound of chicken for me dinner for morning. And he don't come. From morning, you know. So I got know.
Not much. Maybe it soon come.
My God. When Junior left, I'm in a bite drink. Me no drink tea yet.
It's a long time in gone.
Yes.
Maybe it soon come, man. Yeah.
I'll be glad to see you.
Yes, yes. We're glad to see you too.
Yes.
So how you doing?
Well, I do all right. No, I do fine. I do all
You
right.
do all right.
Oh, gosh. This is for my honey, you know? I'm a beard.
Oh, from morning.
Beard. And put on the beard. Put on the frock. And I say, all right. Let me sit down. Instead of me sit down and I wait till him come and drop asleep.
Oh no. Take too long.
Yes. From morning, I said, buy 1 pound of chicken for me, so we can't get it for cook. For me did that tonight.
Yes.
No, thank God. Me there and wait.
Maybe my cookie for you. Maybe my cookie can come.
Out the road.
Yes.
Oh, God. But I told me, boy.
You gonna kill it.
Killing chicken.
Yes, I think go there and he cousin kill chicken. He help them and get food also.
Oh. Oh, so maybe that'll go on to this morning.
So, I couldn't tell when this soon.
Every time we come out, that is when we stop see.
You have to always write down the time when we come so you can remember.
But it's not long.
No, not that long.
Oh, okay.
It might look long.
So I'm glad for soon still.
Glad to see you too.
My God, everyone this sit down here like a monkey.
You're lonely.
Not directly, but sometimes they want to change start.
Miss Topsy, you know, so what's the pan this?
Yeah?
What's the pan it?
Kill him, just squeeze up him.
Lord have mercy.
No, he not sting me.
Me not, you can't touch
Let
it.
it go.
Hold on.
He not sting you, man.
Me not, me afraid me go squeeze it.
You kill it? Oh, you let it kill it.
Let me stop the man.
See them on the floor.
See them there.
Where?
You see them, Mr. Topsy?
Oh, me see
See one
one.
there, so see one here, so. See them there? We have to go plant funeral now.
Should you watch them?
Yeah.
They not sting me, do it.
And on nest they have there, maybe they just have put up the nest.
No, they come here every day.
They come visit you? So you might kill them.
But that's why I tell
Should
you.
I say if you left them?
Oh.
But me can't see them and left them.
That now.
Like how you kill them already.
Unkill them.
They are company.
Me not take no chance with them.
True, me not say nothing. Me not say nothing.
Not take no chance with them.
It wind this so the thing keep blowing. So we can wake you up, Miss Topsy.
No, me just get up go to some water on the iron pot. We may have swallow here, you know.
Now what happened to it?
The water blew up on this side.
And damage it?
Yes.
Oh.
So it now work again. Yes. Then I fix up the place nice, man.
Yeah, but a years now, how long now you live up here in this house?
We can't tell you, but a good while now.
Yeah.
A good while now.
Breadfruit, full of breadfruit.
Yeah, man.
You know, better pill of breadfruit.
Yeah, man. But it's not ready yet, Miss Topsy.
You know, fit.
No. Well, I'm not sure. You know, it looks so to me though.
They look green.
Yes.
So I go on now.
Well, Enough things are going. Yeah, we carry packages for you. We have 2 donors who donated.
Yes.
One sent a barrel and she wanted us to give you a package, so we bring that package.
Yes.
And also we have another package that we had to pick up down by Jacksontown. The donor visited some time ago and she left something for Junior.
Oh.
Right, so we pick it up. So it's from CB. She sent things for you before.
Yes.
Right. So one donor, like I said, sent the barrel and we brought that package, and the other donor sent a package for Junior.
Yes.
But Junior not there here, so we're going to leave everything with you.
Yes. I wonder if I see CBC on the TV and I tell her thanks. I tell, thank you, Jamaica.
Me not think so.
I don't think.
Me not think so. So me arrest it right here for you.
Yes, man. Thank you.
Yes, you're welcome.
Yes, God bless you.
Yes, Miss Topsy.
You climb this hill.
Oh, yes.
In the sun hot.
Yes, son.
God bless you, man.
Oh, that thing won't tie up.
May the good Lord bless and keep you. We have the string of it tie, but Juna won't tie everything you want if you do, and he says, I'm not strong enough
Where the string there?
to manage everything.
Where the string there? Make we tie it up for you.
You can manage it.
And Marcel, I go do it.
And you are going to do it.
Marcel,
You are going to do it.
Marcel, and tie the last
After the
time.
work and then you call the name. I
Marcel,
understand why.
and he did tie it up.
The last time. All right, I might tell you now.
And he breeze, bust it down.
Yes.
I mean, no more breeze, more one you get.
Make it tight and stop.
You don't know, say.
I do not can't tie it too.
We work as one, so you know, by we, could be you or me. You know?
I do not can't tie it too.
You want him tight when him come then?
Yes.
All right.
Can me tell him about it?
Yeah.
Make him tight.
The wind heavy though, so once it tight though, it's still
I mean, you know the chair if you sit down.
yeah, right.
Plyboard they want this one.
Plyboard.
One sheet of plyboard they want. Although you want to go down with it.
Yeah. It windy, so you not really stay. Maybe you want to tie all the way up there, so.
Yes.
Yeah, me see you at time.
Who, me?
Yeah.
Me not tie. Just push up this.
I'm trying to come inside.
Yeah. Can he know if he tight?
And it probably go blow back down. The thing dry rotten to you know, Miss Topsy. It dry rotten, so it probably go tear.
Yes. Every day June say I come buy one. Where's your tarpaulin? They have this small one, maybe they have one big one, but it tear up here, put piece in a house top.
Oh.
Say it breeze and blow up from up by raw zinc. But me no put none in up in the room for. It is sealed with the board.
Okay, okay.
Yes, man.
Yes.
Glad to see you.
Miss Topsy.
I one day, you know, say, they asked Junior, you know, and he say, he not see, you know.
Oh. We're probably in a cross path where he goes and where we go.
Time he come in like say me head, what me not too. Like he had a bus out in or two, you know. Yes.
Maybe that's why you have the pressure affecting you sometimes.
Sometimes. And sometimes when they go there, the woman say, the pressure normal.
Oh, okay.
And another time she say it high.
Yeah, high.
Me get it something there, you know.
What's that?
Me get it bed.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Me get the bed.
Okay.
Me go a Christian one morning. And me get in, the driver will carry me from down here. Carry back to me straight up here.
Oh.
Yeah, say,
That's good. Yes.
He asked me if I can pay $3,000. Me say yes. But can you say, when you want a little change, come give me. Yes, so my son said he give me.
Oh.
Yes.
Yes, that's good.
Yes. So me make up that money. What you give me. Me make it up and put on. I don't remember how much me put up at 2 or 3 thousand pounds.
Yes.
Even I got the coolie man I got give me better mattress. So he say that still can't buy it.
You can't buy
so
it?
if you just buy the bed alone.
Oh, okay.
You have to look funny.
Yes. Okay.
Take up him, man. You
So-
want to look funny?
No, when me finish, me look on it.
You don't know how big look.
Eh?
Wait, 1 year. Oh.
No, me don't have no nail.
They're right there.
I always type on and stuff.
I breathe bossy, you know.
Probably I'll go burst after this because they went heavy.
This kitchen every now what do now we finish you.
When you finish up in a done.
Finish tight.
Oh, now you're talking. A Twitter blowing on your face now, man. You know? Clear the way.
After my face, I pass on punch.
Yes, we stop here. We don't want them.
Oh, it's a good comeback, Miss Topsy. A good comeback.
Come,
Look on the bed.
Yes. Look on.
All right.
Look at that. Them the foot of one now. Them big.
Oh, it look nice, Miss Topsy.
Water boat for them, they put there.
It look nice.
Size 13.
Junior could have case it carry up here.
Oh.
So he walk a shot.
Oh, and walk at the other part.
He walk at Jericho.
Oh,
So.
okay.
I come up and put it down there so. And me come back early, you know. Yes, so when me come back I'm not 12 yet.
Okay, can you leave early too? So you walk go out the road or taxi come?
Walk go out.
Walk go out.
And then me drive come back.
Okay.
Every time I go Alberton or so, me walk go out. Take this time walk along. And then me drive come up. And them a $1,000.
If you go out. If you come back. If you come back.
And as they see me so everybody walk. Carry me up. Come, grandma, you're not ready.
Grandma, you have your money.
Yes. Come, grandma, you're not ready.
You see that big red there, don't see you?
No.
If you trick them one at a time and say, I don't have no money today and I can't bring me free.
Then we carry me, man.
Oh.
We carry me, because they know, say, when we have it.
You pay them.
No, not just say, I got just say, you're big.
Now go give me some. Pass them see me, them a call me, say, if you come, if you not go. Sometimes me say, well, me a go. Come for me, if you come, go. And then I see where when they go Alberton, you know. Then look, taxi, put me money, you know. Come, grandma. Come see one taxi here. And I tell the driver, say, hey, if you make nothing to grandma.
Yes.
Hi, sir.
Yes, Miss Topsy.
Me glad to see you now. Everybody asked me, say, grandma, are you then 2 people that come up here too? I say, yes. Then come look for me sometime.
We start walk a bush, so then I see it. I don't come through bush.
And then notice me too. If you don't give me money. For them attack say me, me get money. Me say, no, so some grocery, then carry for me.
Yeah.
When me get the money, me
Can't
not
tell them your business.
No. I see here when my granddaughter come up here, them ask me if me get money. And if you trust Jibe, tell me come. I said, no, sir. Me not trust on Jibe.
Put you in a debt.
I had 3 children she have. He had 2 boys.
Yeah.
And 1 girl. He take money.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. So what me fi say I know?
No.
What you want to say?
Oh, me have to tell the donor many thanks.
Yes.
God bless him. And me not know them, but me still tell the thanks.
Yes.
And God bless them. He send things for me all the time.
Yes.
Thank them very much. And may the good Lord bless and keep them till we meet again. I don't know when we are going to meet them.
Just say that it will happen.
Yes, and they miss it on TV. You don't see them on TV?
I didn't see you.
Eh?
I didn't see you.
Which station you play?
YouTube.
Oh. I see them all yesterday. Then company in idea. Yes. Sometimes the man come and now the woman a come. And I tell thanks.
Okay.
Some Christian people.
Oh.
But then keep church.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, Miss Topsy. So we're gonna leave now.
Yes, and thank you very much.
You are more than welcome.
Yes.
And we want to say thanks to our donors as well. God bless you richly.
Yes.
And until next time, thank you so much for making it a Likkle Everyting Jamaican. Blessed love. Stay safe and bye-bye.
Yes, and thank you.
All right, Miss Topsy, you're welcome.
Miss Topsy.
Yes, thank you and your husband.
Yes.
You can get ginger?
If I can, yeah.
Oh,
You want ginger?
no, we was going to you peace.
Oh no, we're good.
Good with ginger.
Eh?
We're good with ginger.
Yes.
Yeah, but thank you so much for offering. We
Yes.
appreciate it. Yes.
Thank you.
All right, bye guys. Blessings.
Yes, thanks.
I pick breadfruit.
May I try?
Alright, yeah, try or do you do it?
At first, we pick breadfruit. We are try me look this one. Watch out.
After you know.
Why? If I did mango, we just hit it, eh?
The mango easy for drop.
Yeah, but I just lick
Turn it
it
around now.
with the stick.
No, no, shake it.
So we must do twist it,
Yes,
thing
ma'am.
them short. Hold
No,
on.
push up, twist now. Yeah, just like that.
Oh,
You see
yes!
that? You see that?
That's
first
my
you pick
first
one
breadfruit, Miss Topsy. In all my years. Yay! Well, I don't know. How it's supposed to look when it can roast?
So. Yeah, so it's supposed to look.
You feel light. See there?
I never get one bag.
Feel it. This can roast?
No, sir.
Then I boil it, man.
Yeah.
Boil in water.
It look like it can roast.
Okay.
All you do, you pull it out of this stem and put in ice sun.
Okay.
I get one bag and put in there.
Or should I get a plastic bag?
Huh?
Plastic bag.
Oh, plastic bag. Okay.
No, I have no plastic.
Me good. I'll bring it like this. It will drain. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, Miss Topsy. Thank you.
Yes, you welcome.
My first breadfruit. No. All right,
And
Miss
then
Topsy.
first one you pick.
Yeah. In all my years, there's a first time to everything. All right, everybody.
And take care. here.
Yes, Miss Topsy, you too.
All right.
Junior live there. Sit down one.
Oh, but me not see no more on it will look like this one.
Not today.
Yeah, next time. Yeah.
We're gonna make them fit. When we come back, they're supposed to drop off. All right.
Alright, Miss Topsy.
That means that you not come back here now.
How long breadfruit take for fit, Miss Topsy?
You don't know about that.
Oh, well, then we're ready, man. Yes. All right.